In Thailand, people are getting ready for Christmas and New Year, and it is not just the pick up and place can happen in the shop floor. They are telling that even you are able to make some good pancakes through these coboards, which is exhibited here at Metalex Bangkok.
We bought with us Metrology products. We have video measuring machines, we have height measuring machines, and we have digital readouts and linear encoders which go on a conventional milling and lathe machines. We introduce our new machine iSnap HV80, which is a small compact FOV type machine which gives very fast inspection output.
Electronic industry is moving now in Thailand. There is the huge potential for electronic industry and PCB industries. And if we talk about it, automotive industry is going down here. But if we talk about the electronic industry or PCB industries, it is getting it is getting the edge over other countries, and it is moving here. And especially for Indian PCB manufacturers, cutting tool manufacturers, there are a lot of opportunities. We are making the tool for PCB industry, and we are making the tool for machine industry. So for PCB industry, our minimum diameter is, we start from 100 micron to 6 mm, and if we talk about this CNC machining, that we start from 10 micron to 32 mm.